Using Wise gift cards can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps. Here is how to effectively utilize them. Step 1. Obtain your gift card. Make sure you have your Wise gift card in hand. This could be a physical card or a digital version that you receive via email or an app. Step 2. Check the balance. Before making a purchase, check the balance on your Wise gift card. You can do this by visiting the Wise website or using their app, where you can enter your card details to see how much is available. Step 3. Choose your purchase. Select the goods or services you want to buy. Ensure that the merchant accepts Wise gift cards as a payment method, which is typically indicated at checkout. Step 4. Enter card details. At the payment section, enter the card number, expiration date, and any security codes as required. If it is a digital card, you may need to copy and paste the information. Step 5. Complete the transaction. Review your order and confirm the payment. Once the transaction is successful, you will receive a confirmation. Keep your gift card details safe for future reference. Using Wise gift cards can enhance your shopping experience, making it easy to manage your finances. Enjoy your purchases.